Welcome to Solve It Like a Marketer. I'm Stephen Hobey. Today I will be answering the question, is Clubhouse worth it for marketers? If you like this video, please subscribe and don't go away. In this video, I won't delve into how to use Clubhouse and its features. There are numerous videos already on this subject. So I wanted to narrow in on this app's effectiveness for marketers, whether you be a small business, nonprofit, or freelancer. Now, Clubhouse Defined. So Clubhouse was launched in March 2020 by Paul Davison, who previously worked at companies including Pinterest and Google, and Rohan Seth, a former Google engineer. Now, housed only on iPhone, the platform initially showcased influencers, big-name celebrities, and company leaders. Now, people of note include Drake, Elon Musk, and Oprah Winfrey. Now, this allowed a window into uncensored audio content about their lives, hobbies, or work. As it grew, it opened up to non-celebrity users. That's us. The catch, it's by invite only. So you need to be invited by someone you know in order to use the app. Once in, you can pop in on audio-only chat rooms and participate or just listen in. You can find topic areas you're most interested in. You could search from everything from marketing tips to social justice. Now, you can also network by following speakers and participants who can check out your profile and social links. And certainly, Clubhouse has been gaining more awareness online and across news media. With the increase in profile, marketers have been thinking about how this platform can be effectively leveraged. So here's a list of thoughts that marketers have been considering, both pros and cons. Pros number one, Clubhouse can help build brands and trust within their community. Number two, content is continuously expanding and evolving. Number three, there is a focus on thought leadership. And number four, audiences are open and receptive to audio content. Cons, number one, Clubhouse still has a limited audience. 2, it's only housed on iPhone. 3, sometimes it can feel like an unedited podcast. 4, difficult to find meaningful content that pertains to you. So as you can see, there are both upsides and downsides, and I'm sure there are many more that you could add to the list. So should you care about Clubhouse? Well, I would say that if you have an iPhone and can spend time popping in and out of different rooms to find the right fit, there are benefits, but be mindful that this can take time to find what resonates with you. For myself, I have listened in on some useful chats in different industry areas, but the flip side is that sometimes it feels like a bit of a time waster due to the unedited nature of the content. So my advice is to see if your friends or contacts are currently using the app and get them to invite you. Now, as you dive in, questions to consider. Are the topics you're interested in discussed on the platform? Are you able to connect with thought leaders to co-host or sit on a panel? Are your competitors on Clubhouse? And if so, how are they leveraging the platform? Now, having said all of this, needless to say, other social platforms are now looking to get in on the audio game. We have Twitter Spaces and Instagram Live Rooms. Facebook and LinkedIn are also looking to become Clubhouse rivals, though still in early stages of development. Likely, they will be quite similar to Clubhouse, which of course leaves us with the question, is it worth spending the time to build a network on Clubhouse when the larger social competitors are going to enter the market anyway? Should we wait and see how they do before expending the energy on Clubhouse alone? Certainly, these are questions I'm pondering, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. I would love to hear what you have to say. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. You can also catch me on Instagram and Facebook for extra content and never miss an episode. The links are below. I'll see you every week with a new video, so please stay tuned, and together, let's solve it like a marketer.